Let's do example number 1, which is easy and very important example. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is given to you 32 centimeter. See figure. Figure is also given to you. 11 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Do we need to find out the third side? Remember that. Just recall the formula. We need first side, we need second side, we need third side also. So let's find out the third side. The third side is perimeter minus sum of two sides. So perimeter is given to 32 minus 11 plus 8 centimeter, that is equal to 32 minus 19. This is equal to your 13 centimeter. So don't forget to write down this is your 13 centimeter and semi perimeter. Now here comes some students, they did like this 11 plus 8 plus 13, then they did mistake in the calculation. 11 plus 8 plus 13, some write 42, some write 43, some write 33. They forgot that perimeter is also given to you. So don't forget, perimeter is given to you now. So semi perimeter is what? Perimeter divided by 2. This is 32 by 2. For your rechecking, you may check this. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 19 plus 10 is 29 plus 3 32. ठीक है, हम ठीक कर रहे हैं. So this is your 32 centimeter. So area. So semi perimeter is equal to 32 by 2. That is equal to 16 centimeter. Area is equal to, write down the formula. If you will not write down the formula, then marks are going to be deducted. By chance, if there is a problem in your calculation and the formula is written, you will get the marks for writing the formula. So area is equal to S is 16, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 8 and 16 minus 13. Because of this star, I have given this formula name as star. Because I am doing so many questions, so instead of writing it again and again, I am saying that this is because of star. But you cannot write down this in the exam, because in the exam hardly 1 or 2 questions you will be getting. So you have to write down the formula. So this is 16 into 5 into 8 into 3. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. 5, we cannot find out the square root of 5, 5. This 8 can be written as a product of a prime, one perfect square and the other number. This is 4 twos are and into 3. Now this will also come 4 into 2. This is 5 into 2 into 3 centimeter square. This is equal to 8. 5 twos are 10, 10 is a 30 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Let's do second example, which is also important but easy example. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of the fencing it with a barbed wire. Barbed wire means that cantilever wire, which is to be keep around the park to keep away the stray animals. At the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. Gate so that somebody can enter into the park. And the question is, you have to find out the area of the park and you have to find out the fencing. For fencing, we always find out, we have to find out the perimeter, and for area, we have to find out the area. Since we have to find out the area, the sides are with us. So area is equal to S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Let's find out the semi-perimeter. That is 120 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 2. This is 250 by 2 meter. That is equal to 125 meter. So area is equal to 125 meter. 125 into 125 minus 50, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 120 meter square, which is equal to 125 into 75 into, this is your 5 minus 0 is 5, 45 and this is equal to your 5. And this is your meter square. This 125 can be written as 25 5s are. This 75, 25 3s are. 45, 9 5s are into 5 meter square. Don't commit this mistake that firstly you are find out the product 125 into 75 into 45 into 5. Then you are going to find out its square root. Don't waste your time. Now this is equal to 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of this 25 is also 5. Circle them. Who are perfect square? This is 3. They are 2. So 1 5 will come out. Now they are alone. They don't have friends. So the students who are alone, they have to remain lonely in the classroom. You have to make the friends. 5 3s are 15 meter square. So this is equal to 5 5s are 25 into 5 125 into 3 375 root 15 meter square is the area. Now you have to find out the cost of the fencing and 3 meter gap is there. So perimeter, earlier we have found that this is equal to 250. 250 minus 3, perimeter of wire. This was perimeter of park. This is the perimeter of wire. Minus 3 is equal to 247 meter. So cost of fencing, total cost of fencing by the barbed wire is equal to rupees 20 for 1 meter and total you are having 247 meter. This is 0, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 and this is 4 2 2s are 4. Rupees 4940 is the total cost of fencing. Am I clear? Let's do third example which is also very easy. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is given to 300 meter. Find its area. Since the ratio of the sides are given to you, it's not like that this is 3 meter or 5 meter or 7 meter. This is in the ratio. So the sides could be 30, 50, 70. The sum should be equal to 300. It could be, this is 60 if I am going to multiply by 20, this is 60, this is 100 and this is 140. But the sum should be equal to 300. So since it is in the ratio, so we have to always multiply it with some number that is x, some unknown number that is x. Let the sides are 3x, 5x and 7x. Because earlier I was multiplying with 10, I was multiplying by 20. So I am multiplying by x. According to question, the perimeter is given to 300 meter. 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. 15x is equal to 300. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. The value of x is equal to 300 by 15, that is 20 meter. 3x is equal to 3 into 20. By chance, I have multiplied earlier by 20, here also the answer is coming by 20 only. So 3 into 20 is equal to 60. 5 into 20, 100. 7 into 20 is 140. So semi-perimeter is equal to 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150 meter. Area is equal to 150 into 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140 meter square because of this star which we have already said. What is the formula? 150 that is equal to 150 into 90 into 50 into 100. Now 150 into 150, how it can be written as? 150. If I write down 15 into 10, no, it's not a perfect square. So let me leave it. अभी मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा how to do it. So I am writing 50 into 10. Let me write it down in this way. 90 can be written as 9 into 10 because 9 is perfect square. 10 is I am going to leave. 50 is 25 twos are and this is my 10 number. ठीक है, because I already know the 10 is already here. So its जोड़ीदार has come. ठीक है. This 15 can be further reduced as this is 3 5s or let it be 15 only because it does not have its friend. देखो, no 3 is there, no 5 is there. So you may write down 15 as it is. Don't make it a circle because I told you circle. You have to write down those numbers which are either in the pairs or as a perfect square. this is 25. So this 10 will come out. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. Now what are left? 15 into 2 into 10. Now this 15 अगर थोड़ा सा और ध्यान से देखो, because earlier I was saying that it does not have its friend. It has. So this is 10 3s are 30, 35s are 150. This can be written as 3 5s are 2 into 2 5s are. ठीक है? Now this is one pair. This is second pair. Time always give you to do the corrections in your life. Whether it's the case of your relationship, it's your result. It's not like that today you have got 49% or 50%, you cannot improve. There is a chance to improve. I was saying here that it is not having any friend, so I am leaving it. But I realized here, nahi yaar, I can write down in 3 into 5 and 2 into 5. So there is always a chance of improvement. Always improve yourself. From yesterday to today, if you have improved a little bit, your day has started. Your day is done. That you have done something. This is 150 into 5 into 2 root 3 meter square. So 150 into 10, 1500 into root 3 meter square. Am I clear? Easy.